Navigator.
Oh, are you gonna have to park in the middle?
I ain't doing none of that extra shit today. It's raining. I don't get paid enough.
It's not raining. You're not close?
Nope. Hold on real quick. Let me get some out of here. Alright, let's get my phone charger. Well, my camera charger. As soon as I finish this video clip.
Hold that to real good.
Alright, you guys. We about to do another cold start. Late night vlogging, man. Yeah, I'm driving all clothes. Shit. Alright, you guys, we about to do a cold start.
Yes.
We about to do another cold start. Hit that like button, hit that share button, man. We grinding out here. Ah, you son of a bitch. Okay, Navigator, come on. Come on. Talk to Daddy right now.
What'd you say, talk to him?
He said talk to Daddy.
Oh, you can't get that on camera?
What?
The cold start?
Oh, shit. Hold on. Yeah, I gotta go do it. Get a cold start. Late night cold start. Yeah, I got the late night cold start cracking. Oh, yeah, they haven't seen my headlights.
What, babe?
You buckled up?
I am.
Okay, cool. Alright, y'all buckled up? You okay? Oh yeah, I got the 2 light crew in the back. Nice and bundled up and wrong. I'm about to get my sweater. Shit. But if y'all haven't seen it, I got LED lights on here. Got LEDs on there. I'll show y'all right now. Like I said, y'all, we grinding tonight. We putting in that work tonight. Shit. Alright, this one is mine. Yes, sir. Putting in work tonight. Alright, y'all, let me move this back. I'm gonna show you guys my lights in the front. To all those that's new to the channel. And like I said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the share button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, all notifications, and hit them links down below in the description. Y'all really would appreciate it.
But you know the Kaiser windshields don't work?
Yes, it does.
No, they don't.
Yes, it does. How the Kaiser windshield wipers don't work? I was using them this morning.
I was using them when I went to go pick up Jasmine.
They work. I didn't have one issue with them. Oh, no copyright music. Alright, y'all, hold on real quick. Ghost ride the whip. Ghost ride the whip. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Why you have the door open? Hombre de pasas.
Oh, God, really? Yeah, we got LED lights in the front. For all those that never really seen this before, we got LEDs in the front. Let me check these windshield wipers. We're gonna see right now. Let's check this car real quick. Customer states windshield wipers don't work. And if it doesn't work, I will go buy some brand new windshield wipers for this car. That is not a problem. So we're gonna check this out real quick. Alright, let's check it out. Alright. Damn, cold start again. Whoa. Alright, I don't know if I can see it, but let's check this out. Oh, it was pretty good to me. Yeah. Well, probably gonna need. Yeah, we're pretty good to me. I don't see nothing. It's dark right now, but I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's working fine to me. All right. Washer fluid is working. Yeah, washer fluid is working. Cleaned it pretty well. Yeah, it's working. I don't know if y'all can see it. Yeah, it's working pretty good. Yeah, the fuck you tripping? Yeah, I've been driving this car. All morning. I didn't have one single damn hiccup with this. Let's go. Let's keep going. Let's lock it up and secure it. Go. Let's go. Hey, it worked pretty fine. What was going on? What?
It's because it wouldn't wipe the thing real good.
It was wiping it good right now.
Oh.
What if
See,
we?
why every time I do a car, I always get...
You just get bad luck. Shit. That's what I can tell.
No, you get bad
Nah,
luck.
not like that. Hell.
A little,
You heard her?
What?
What'd you say?
a little bit bad luck.
Oh. Say hi.
Hi.
Huh?
Man, look at that. This was last year. Oh.
Don't get me started about that topic.
Sucks.
But yeah. Other than that, y'all, I'm gonna get going. I'm gonna blast some fucking copyrighted music right now, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Look at all these empty shelves over here. Damn.
Mom, these.
What'd I tell y'all?
Okay.
All these empty shelves. And this is Walmart right here. And a lot of y'all try to say, oh, it's fake news and all this and that. Here's the proof. Look how half empty these shelves are in here. Nobody wanted to listen. Oh well.
Go to bed. I want to make, what should I make? Some taco soup? Jasmine, you like these to take to school? The shredder cheese? Yeah.
Are they good?
Yeah, these are good.
Well, I would taste them. We'll bring them.
Nobody wants to listen to what I be saying, so I'm not gonna say nothing no more. As long as I'm not gonna waste my breath.
No, I want this one.
Which one?
This one.
You like that one?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what that is.
Oh, I forgot what those are.
Look, they have, what is this? Peanut butter and... Okay,
Ew.
get one. Get
Oh,
this
thank
one.
you.
Let's see if you can like it. We're gonna take one. No, this one, look. This one? This one?
Let her. She'll learn.
Okay, put it in here.
She ain't nasty as hell. I remember those.
That's the
Cheese. It's some kind of cheese. I remember those too. Look how empty the eggs are. Let's go look at this shit. This is crazy. Look at this. Look at this. This is usually...
Come on, girl.
Nobody wanted to listen. I try to keep y'all informed and educated what the hell's going on out here. And
Hey.
Nobody wanted to listen. Nobody...
Excuse me, Mama.
Stop talking over me.
Oh, sorry.
Nobody wanted to listen. Nobody wanted to hear me. So, hey, I'm about to sit back and I'm about to be laughing at all these motherfuckers that's in La La Land. And watch with the pallets. I see people get their foot cut up on these damn wood pallets right here.
I don't like this strawberry. This one.
Ooh, good one. Chorro.
Mom, can we have these?
Yes.
They just get it. I'm surprised they don't give that to y'all at school.
Mom, can I bring this tomorrow for school? Can I bring yogurt to school?
Yeah, Johnny, get to you.
Look at this, even right here. This is even empty. Look at this. Did these usually like stacked up?
Girls, stay right here. I'll get a pack of water.
Look at this.
Oh, no.
Damn.
Ew, smells like
Those smell like fucking cigarettes over here. I farted.
Those smell like cigarettes. Oh,
I made it worse.
you are god. Oh my god.
what?
You were gonna be like, what the fuck is that smell?
They gotta be cold. That's all I gotta tell you. They gotta be cold.
This is dirty. Oh, that's dirty.
Yeah, they gotta be cold. Look at you. Get out of here. Look at this. Empty. Jeez. What? Ooh, more than this? Oh.
You want peanut butter and jelly sandwich? Oh no, you got
Yeah. Come on.
you got jelly.
Mom, I like cheese balls.
Okay, now we have to get your snack, Jasmine. Right here. It's for school.
Go see him. Yeah. I don't want nothing.
Is it right here? Then you get some chips, Jasmine.
No.
Can you take some chips to school? Because every time you take some, your teacher or they tell you something.
They get mad, yeah.
No,
You can't even, it's so sad they can't even bring a big old thing of Gatorade with them, like a regular Gatorade bottle.
No.
That don't even make no sense.
When I was eating hot Cheetos at school, Miss Rosie said it was on lunchtime. Miss Rosie said that only you gotta eat healthy food.
Really? You should tell her, do you eat healthy food at your house?
Ooh.
Actually, I have a daughter and she is in my class. She has
Jasmine, you want these?
daughter. She's a grandma. She has a mom.
Jasmine, you want this one?
Okay.
They work there.
What else do you
No.
want to take?
Is the teacher still picking on you for every little thing? Huh?
What?
Is the teacher still picking on you for every little thing?
Okay, wait.
Pull that beanie up. Who you think you is?
Slim Shady. What is this shit called? What is that one called? That do that. That put his thing down. Alright, let's go down.
Come on, drop it like it's hard. Come on, GoPro. Stop acting weird and stop acting stupid, GoPro. Look at that. And we got a big bag of ice, too. Damn, man. Alright, what else is going in here?
That's it. We're gonna put these on top.
What?
The yogurt, so they won't melt or get rice.
Alright. Y'all know we got the Coors on deck, the Coors Light. Fuck. I don't know how to do this shit, but there we go. Get that out of there. And now it's time to do the ice. Let's do it the
Okay, where's your tin at?
let's do it the Gordo way.
Where's your tin, Jasmine?
Whoa, son of a bitch. Alright. Yeah, I need your help. Can you come hold it? Hold the camera.
What? We forgot to get
Where is it? For that. God damn.
Move, Nevaeh.
Calm down, girl.
Put it in there. There, move. You can't eat ice because it's cold. Move.
There we go.
Move, Nevaeh.
All right, excuse me.
Daddy, it's ice.
Yes, it's ice. Yes.
It's ice.
Okay.
Nevaeh.
Oh my God, what you gonna get a Go-Gurt?
You should get ice.
Yeah, yo, we got Go-Gurts in here for the kids. Got this yogurt shit.
If they get ice, oh well.
Oh well, if it get cold, yeah, tastes better when they cold. Yeah, we should be good to go. No more. All right. Looks way better in here. Way better. That's the way I like my cars, y'all. I love my cars clean. My cars got to be clean on the inside. I don't care how the way anybody might feel about it. If you like having a dirty car, then that's on you. Me, my car's got to be clean on the inside, especially the inside. Outside, yeah, outside too. But I don't got no cash on me. That's the thing that sucks ass. I don't keep cash on me enough. Yeah. Anyway. I could go wash it, huh? Y'all wanna wash? All right, let's go wash this motherfucker. I got the bank card. Not here, I can't do it here. They take card here. They take card here at this location, but it be tripping. So yeah, last time they stole my fucking money. So yeah, let's go to another location. Let's go. Yeah, car gotta be clean, man. Let's go. Oh yeah, way better. I'm gonna do it myself. What the hell is this guy doing? Whew, let's pop that air on real quick. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's get moving. Moving and grooving. That's an F-body. I've always had problems up here. They stole my money. They took the money out of my bank account, but the car wash fucking shit didn't even fucking work. So yeah. Yeah, let's go hit the car wash real quick, y'all. Let's get on the freeway. Let's go clean this thing up, y'all. Gotta get this thing clean. Let's go. Damn, they stole the 710 freeway signs? Fuck. Let's go. Let's go clean this thing. I don't think it's not supposed to rain no more neither. So, yeah, I might as well just go do a fucking nice little hand wash on here real quick. Clean it up a bit. You know me. Y'all know how the way I roll. Anyway, you guys, I'll catch you guys right now when we get up there. Alright, we don't hit a situation. I forgot my fucking wallet. I gotta go back home and get my wallet, y'all. Damn, this happens. Dude, this has been happening too much. It's been happening too goddamn much, y'all. Nobody's perfect. Everybody has left their wallet at home. I know how y'all niggas is on the internet. Y'all want to come at me with some bullshit every damn time. Oh, how you gonna forget your fucking wallet? Yeah, man. Some of y'all think y'all so damn perfect, man. Last person I checked was perfect was the man upstairs, and yeah, they still killed his ass. Just saying. Gotta go get my wallet, y'all. Catch y'all right now. All right, y'all. Sheesh. There we go. Anyway, I decided to bring it to the car wash instead, and yeah, I did end up finding my wallet. So I was like, fuck it. I'm already around here in the same area where I usually wash my car, so I was like, fuck it. I'll just pay somebody just to wash it and do everything for me and shit. All it needs is to wash this time. I've already cleaned the inside myself, so yeah. There we go. Oh yeah, y'all, we got the car back. We got it back. Wait till y'all see it, man. It's that same detail shop that I go to, y'all, but they got 2 locations out here in Long Beach. They got one off of LB Boulevard, and they got one off of Wartlow right here. So they got 2 locations. And it's crazy how I ended up right there. I forgot my wallet. Yeah, y'all gonna trip out about this situation right here. It could have ended bad too. Forgot my wallet. Went home, went to go find it. Y'all know already. All that shit. Found it and whatnot. I was like, all right, let's get back going. Then I got back to the car wash. Wait, before I got back to the car wash, I was sitting at the light. Some fucking little dick syndrome ass motherfucker pulled up in a GMC Sierra, one of them nice ass ones, the AT4 model. Nice truck, very nice truck. Don't get me wrong, nice ass truck. One of them new body style ones that look like a fucking that's curved and oval shaped. I don't like that body style, but it was a nice truck. Pulled up beside him, minding my business, had my music jumping loud, music bumping loud and everything. The light turned green. He just smashed out all extra and did all the fucking extras and shit. And mind you, I wasn't even paying attention to nobody, minding my business, vibing to the music and shit. Yeah, man, people do the most extras out here, man. I'm telling you. Trust me and believe me. I got homies that drive them damn Silverados. Y'all know who the fuck y'all are. I'll fuck with y'all heavily and everything. But I'm gonna let y'all know, some of these owners that drive them damn Sierras and Silverados, some of y'all niggas got little dick syndrome, man. Y'all need to cut it out with that bullshit. Seriously. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody on that kind of time zone right now. But yeah, man, we heading back home right now. I can't wait to show you guys a car, how cleaned up this shit got. Oh yeah, hell yeah, man. I'm slanging out here. Sheesh. They did a good job. Hell yeah. Then I gotta go wash my truck too. That's what I'm saying. Good thing it's clean on the inside already. I did all the work and everything, man. Yeah, good thing I did all that. Good thing. Good thing. Hell yeah, y'all. Catch you guys right now. Yeah. Swinging on the oppositions out here. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Catch y'all right now. Look at that. That shit wet. Yeah, look at that. Shit wet. Now we gotta check out the inside too. Show off these guts in the interior. Yes, sir. I don't care what anybody says, man. Having a clean car is mandatory around me. Heck yeah. Shit. You want these females to drop their drawers out here, you better have a clean car, and it better be smelling good too. Trust me when I say this. Yeah, they cleaned everything. Hold on. Oh yeah, they did a good job. They cleaned all that right there. Oh shit, we got an ant's nest in here. Hold on, y'all. We got a situation. Hold up. We're gonna fix this right here. Oh my god, dude, I just cleaned it. Well, good I know now. We're gonna fix this. Stay tuned. Right, y'all, this is what I do when I have ants in the car. Get some of this Raid right here. This shit does right here on this all right here. All right here. And that's from all that rain and bullshit.
Oh yeah, I see it.
That's from all that rain and bullshit. So here's what I do. I get some of this Raid. I've already cleaned the whole car's clean. Look at it inside. Clean the whole inside up. So you gotta hit it up with that bug spray. Yeah, look at that, look at that, look at that. Yeah, boy. Yeah, where you going, little nigga? Get your ass out of here. Okay, hit it with that bug spray. Don't mess with me, y'all. I don't play. We got food here to eat, right? Like them chicken things or whatever?
Yeah, the chicken nuggets, yeah.
Alright, cool. Alright, y'all. There y'all go. Let me know if there's ants in there too. I should go check that out. Huh? What you think? Let me back it up some more. They did a good job. That location I went to the one on Wartlow. I went to the one on Wartlow. Guide me real quick, cause
Why does this feel like burn?
I did not know.
Is someone leaking? Something's leaking. I smell like something burning.
Like where?
You don't smell that?
Nothing.
It's right here.
What?
You smell it? It's burning.
Gotta back in this shit. Dang, I know. I forgot to hit this right here. But that's the only thing I can think of, unless one of these leaves or something took the fucking exhaust and it's burning it off.
Yeah, it smells something burning in it.
I don't know. We got insurance. Let the shit catch fire. Get another one. Huh? Oh well. The fucking 6.4 about to blow up.
Yeah, so something's burning. Since this morning, I was like, what the hell is that smell? Did you shut up? Oh, you want to back it up a little bit?
I'm about to back it up somewhere. Oh! I don't see nothing smoking, because if it was an oil leak right there, it'll be smoking.
Yeah.
It'll be smoking or whatever, because it
It
ain't no...
smell like rubber or something.
No, because it ain't nothing, ain't no leaks. Because remember when they replaced the lifters and everything, they took the whole top part of the fucking motor apart. Everything got brand new gaskets and seals and everything. So yeah, hell no, ain't no oil leak, because they fixed all that when we got the car.
Yeah.
Yeah, they fixed all that. Huh? Shit. Because I don't think I'm not gonna be taking it to Walmart no more. I think after this, if I can get it in the dealership, the dealership, they give me a full report of the car.
Yeah.
But yeah, nah. CarMax fixed everything. They replaced all the gaskets and seals, valve cover gaskets, fucking spark plug fucking gaskets where the coil packs go at, intake gaskets, everything got replaced on this car when they did everything. And I think we got the paperwork somewhere in the house, huh?
No, it's in here, no?
Yeah, somewhere. It's either in here or in the
no,
house. It's in the house. When, if y'all remember, when I first got this car, it was making a click, 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 click. It was making a ticking noise or whatever. They fixed all that. And in order to fix the lifters and to do a lifter job on any car, you got to take apart basically the top part of the engine. So of course you're going to replace everything with brand new gaskets and seals and shit. So yeah, I've never seen one fucking drip of oil leak on this damn car since we got it. And every time when we drive it, I don't see no puddle or nothing. Because if it was a leak, we'll see it. And then it will start smoking. Let me see. Oh, cold start. Let's go. Hold on.
Just feed up and some chicken nuggets.
We're probably gonna share it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go pick that thing up.
Yeah, ain't nothing smoking. All right, cold start. Here y'all go. Here y'all go. Look who's riding it today. A big old. Come on, cold start. Turn the motherfucker on. Cold start. Ooh.
Let's get new cover seats.
Open this shit. Unlock it. Make sure no ants in here. Alright, y'all. We checking everything for ants. 'Cause I know whenever it rains and shit, them little ant critters like to come out and like to camp out on shit. So, like I said, if you're a real car owner and you like to, and you know what I'm talking about, keep some bug spray on you. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, check it so I can spray this shit down. Yeah, man. Ooh, damn. I don't see nothing. Where? All right, hold on. So I know it. I got some ants out here. Shit, this shit is loose. Oh boy, we got an issue. This is loose if I ain't tripping. This is loose. Nothing. Where's the spray at? Let me see.
Right here,
Where
look.
the ants at?
Right here in these cracks.
Where?
I saw right here.
Hey, watch the windshield, fool. Damn, nigga.
Yeah, give me some so I can clean it.
Yeah, no, leave it alone. Leave it alone. You gonna smear the damn windshield and everything.
I couldn't read.
Well, get out the way. Let me do it. Damn.
Ow! My toes.
And to everybody that want to say something stupid, I keep all my cars clean. It's just whenever it rains around here, yeah, here they come. Oh shit, they at? Where they at?
I saw one in the windshield too.
I'm gonna wash this shit anyway. All these damn leaves and shit. I don't see nothing else. That's why it's important after you go through a heavy ass rainstorm, wash your fucking vehicles. Well, yes, you guys, my shit are clean. Anybody want to say anything? My cars are clean. And you got this woman right here. She gets annoyed of it.
But you need to get another.
I ain't worried about that. Yes, I keep a spare box. That's the ice box. For real. Damn, dude, you're fucking short.
Yes, I am. See, you need this some more.
What?
This,
What?
this paper.
What paper?
This one.
That's not a trash can, babe. Just saying.
I know.
This is not a trash can, y'all. This is where my ice. I don't know. It's kind of handy, right? Whenever I got ice, I got a beer. I got a fucking good amount of beer. I just put it in here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I got some more fucking bug spray in here. Oh yeah, y'all. I'm telling you, I keep a can. I'm telling you, keep a can of this shit.
That bug spray don't have no more.
No, I ain't got no more. But keep a can of bug spray, y'all, because it's been raining like cats and dogs out here, and that's when the ants like to come out and attack the cars. So yeah, just a little heads up. Keep some of this with y'all. And if you got kids, make sure your kids don't leave nothing sweet or anything like that inside your cars neither. That's when they really gonna come. Trust me. I remember all through here I had a whole fucking farm of fucking ants in here. For one damn thing, some damn fucking some candy crumbs or some shit that they left in here. So yeah. Other than that, y'all, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Hit the like button, hit the share button, hit that subscribe button. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Go, step on it.